Hello and welcome to this tutorial on letter. The English 11 Plus comprehension section may include a letter. A letter is a written form of communication sent in an envelope by post or messenger, like this letter from BFG by Roald Dahl. Let's have a go at answering the questions. As the 11 Plus is a strictly timed exam, let's read the question and options first. Where do the giants come from? Scotland, the palace, England, giant country. Skim and scan the text to look for keywords such as giants or the name of a place. After a short skim and scan for keywords, we can see that line 2 states giants from giant country. Therefore, the answer is D, giant country. Okay, let's look at question 2. What time of the day do children go missing from their beds? Morning, afternoon, evening, cannot say. Skimming and scanning the text for keywords such as time, children or bed, the second paragraph states children missing in the evenings. Therefore, the answer is C, evening. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 Plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.